So, let's say I need to get rid of those wood boogers in that corner there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plate up next to it, and when I get into that corner, I'm going to push this forward and cut with that point and go just into that edge. And that will look like this. So you get a nice sharp edge corner. Right like that. Because you went into that face a little bit. But I don't like these. So I'm going to roll a half bead across this and make a rounded pommel to save my knees. Or ankles in this case. Normally, see that large diameter? I would normally have the tool rest a little bit higher. So the tool's going to be down like this. And I'm going to have to push up into the cut. Right? So you're just kind of floating it across those points. Tools like that. Now, where those two joints come together, remember we talked about how wood turnings look best when they look like they're individual pieces that were assembled. They would have a seam and a joint. So I'm going to create what's called a shadow line and do that with just that straight V cut where those two elements meet, and it just kind of makes them pop. So because finish will fall into that and we'll make it darker. So this is now separate from that. So it's more of a graceful transition. One last version of this.